much I would say. And so I would like to take you out with me, lend me your ears and listen to my journey. Come with me and embark this ship, take a ride and join me on this trip. As early as 5, before the sun can shine its light, I am already awake and ready for what the world awaits. My mom had already been up before I could even realize. She prepared everything. Oh, what a sight. She helps me pack my bag and hugs me tight before I step out to the gate. She reminds me to be good at school and waves me goodbye before I could be late. I still feel sleepy from waking up early, but